Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to work with image tags in HTML5. Let's watch this amazing video. In before tutorial we seen about non-semantic tags. I think it's like a very clear explanation about div tag and span tag, and also I explained semantic tags in before tutorial, and many tags we discussed in that. If you missed the tutorials, the link was available in description. Just learn about semantic tags and non-semantic tags. Now in this tutorial I'm going to discuss about image tags. So just I'll create a new file. So just I'm creating new file, which is image tags. Just control S and save in desktop, which is like images tags dot size, because in before tutorials what I have observed, the size was not clear. That's why I increased the size of my Visual Studio by using control plus plus. So if I use control minus, it decreases the size. If I use control plus, it increases the size, and you can try that one also. Anyway, just I'll copy actual syntax of HTML. So just I'm copying the actual syntax of HTML. So you can see that actually this is my website which was done. Actually it was explained in non-semantic tags. Just I'm closing this one. Okay, so this is my website. Actually here you can see my image was there, and you can see this is one of the image, and this is all images by me. So how I can display? So we having a tag which is called image tag. By that I want to display the image. So before want to display the image, I want to download the image. Just I want to download the nature images, and I'll download. And you can download either you want PNG image or JPG image, whatever it may be. You can download. Just control S and just save image in desktop. And one more thing guys, I want to say that where the file was there, actually my file was there in you can see that I'll download another image, because it should be JPG or PNG, because then only it was supported. Just save image, and you can see it's like a JPG, it was supported. Just you can save in desktop only. So why? Because where the file was located, you can save there only. So otherwise you need to copy the all the path. If you save the image in downloads, so you need to copy this path, this all the path, and you need to paste it. So it's like a risk of that. Better to do in what you can say in desktop. Actually I'm using desktop where you are using. So just download that, and I'm giving the name of the image which is called nature. So just save this image, and remember nature.jpeg. So yes, first of all we saved the image. Now my task is I want to display the image by using HTML code. So for that we are having a tag which is called image. So we are writing shortcut img. So img, so source, we need to give the source. Source means where it was located. So it was located in the desktop and in HTML folder only. So directly you can give the name of the image which is called nature.jpg. So this way you need to give, and just close this file and just control S. Is it working or not? You can see that. Just reload it. You can see that my image was displayed by using the simple tag which is img. So src means source, so where it was located. And one more thing I want to say, that actually the image located here, right? So if image was located in downloads, otherwise documents, just control V, and you need to give this old path. Just copy and paste here, and slash, just control S. I think is it working or not, I don't know that. Yes, of course you can see the path, because I given the path was mistake. So the path was mistake. I think you need to give the path very clearly. So just, it's very important guys. Just control S. I think is it working or not, I don't know. Yes, is it working? So because I given the entire path of C users Siva documents, actually I created I pasted the image in documents. I think you observed it is in documents, you can see that. So you need to copy entire path and you need to paste it here, so then only you can give. So actually I don't want to take the risk, that's why I given to display directly in my folder, HTML folder in desktop. So anyway, it was very clear. So guys, in before, actually if I not given the particular path, just control S, just reload it, you are not able to see the image, right? So I'm getting like not there any image. So for that we are having, so in that time, suppose anyone having the internet issue, the slow of internet, so you need to display the image, but unfortunately the image was not displayed. So in that time we are having one thing which is like alternate tag. So instead of that you can give like alternate means you can display any matter. So actually nature of image, like, so you can say like nature of image was there. So instead of that, what means, so the nature of image text will be displayed by using that. And just reload, you can see that. That means the users, like the public can understand, who the customers can understand, okay, here the image was there but unfortunately it was not displayed, which is called nature of image. So if I given the path was very clearly, just control S and just reload it and observe, we can't see the alternate text because already the image was there. So why should we need any alternate text? No need, right? So yes, if uh, the image was not displayed, then this alternate text will be used. I think it's like a very clear. So this is all about image tag, and I want to say some of the things which was there in image tag, that is called width and height. Actually my image was downloaded this size and same size was displaying, right? Actually I don't want that. So I don't want the same size and same thing. Actually it's like a maybe 500 or whatever it may be. I want like width is in smaller size by using width and height. And you can give the width of this image, so I'm giving like 100. And also you can give the height, of course. I'm giving height also like 150 or 100. I'm giving 100 and just control S and just reload. You can see the small image which is 100 pixels. So you can give, if you want like big size, you can give, instead of that you can give like 900 also. And just control S and just reload. Yes, it's like a big image, 900 pixels, and you can see that not that much clarity, it's like a beyond the versional size. So that is the way, if you want like big sizes you can do. Actually you can observe, this is my actual page, you can see my image. So I given the size was very big when compared to other images, and here you can see I given the small size which is like 300 pixels, I think so. So this is the way to do that by using image tag. I think you understand what I have explained. So we are having a tag which is called image. So source means where it was located. So if it was in same folder, you can directly, you cannot, no need to give this all the URL, directly you can give nature.jpg. So if your image is PNG, you should give the PNG.png. So that's it. And if you want like alternate text, you can give. If you want particular width and height of the image, you can give by using width and height. So this is all about image tag. I think it's like a very clear explanation. So I'll come with another tutorial which is called hyperlinks. Until then, wait for next tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll come with the new videos and new tutorials for you. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button and give a like and share, and also just comment in comment section. Definitely I'll give reply to your comments. Thank you for watching this.